Is it true that to make money with crypto, you have to sit at your computer all day analyzing confusing charts? Actually, no. In this video, you'll learn how to earn real money using only your mobile phone without a computer by spending just a few minutes a day. I'll show you everything step by step: how to register on an exchange, how to top up your balance using any bank card from any country, how to grow your money in the way that suits you best, and how to withdraw your profit back to your bank card. It's extremely important to watch the video until the end so you don't end up burning your whole investment to zero, but instead avoid the usual mistakes and get to a stable, solid income. I get it. You've just entered the world of crypto and you're already imagining yourself buying that miracle coin that'll give you 3, 5, or even 10x returns. But it's not that simple. This is actually the most common mistake. People dive in without understanding crypto itself or the assets they're buying and end up catching a 50% dip, panicking, and selling at a loss. In crypto, it's crucial to understand what you're doing. That's why the first step is education. I recommend starting with these books: The Age of Cryptocurrency: How Bitcoin and Digital Money Are Challenging the Global Economic Order. This book gives you a solid overall understanding of crypto. The Bitcoin Standard: The Decentralized Alternative to Central Banking. Basically the crypto Bible. It will help you grasp the economy and Bitcoin's role in it. Spend at least a week warming up. Download the first book, start reading, and get a feel for what you're getting into. Only after that should you start investing in crypto. For those who are total beginners in investing, it's wiser to start with the basics. For example, read The Richest Man in Babylon. That book will help you understand the fundamentals of managing money and build the right financial mindset, which will definitely come in handy in crypto. You'll find more details about the books in the video description and the pinned comment. And if you're not into reading books, you can scroll through the posts on my Medium page. The link's in the description. This is a simple yet crucial step: setting up an account on a reliable, centralized exchange. For beginners, Bybit is a perfect choice. The exchange has been operating since 2018 and consistently ranks among the top 3 in the industry. You'll find the registration link in the description. Just open it, enter your email or phone number, and create a strong password. If you want to get the maximum discounts on trading fees and unlock all available sign-up bonuses, use my code, CAPCRYPTO. Pause the video and set up your account. It'll only take a couple of minutes. After creating your account, click on your profile icon in the corner. You'll see a Verify button. Click it, select your country, and then go through identity verification. The easiest option is to use your passport or driver's license. This is a totally standard procedure. All major exchanges now require verification. Your personal info is only used to confirm that you're a real person. It won't be shared anywhere. Next, it's time to fund your balance. Click the More button and select P2P. In the top right corner, change the currency to the one you plan to use for the payment. Then make sure it's set to buy. The token is USDT. It's the crypto version of the dollar. Enter the amount you want to invest and choose your payment method. Now, you can pick a merchant who will sell you digital dollars. I recommend checking the exchange rate last. First, pay attention to the number of orders and the completion rate. The higher those numbers, the better, especially if you're transferring a larger amount. Once you find a reliable seller, click Buy. Make sure to read the seller's terms, and if everything looks good, enter the amount in your local currency, see how much USDT you'll get, and confirm the order. Now, within 15 minutes, you need to make the payment. Don't panic or rush, just click the Pay button at the bottom. You'll see the seller's payment details appear right there in the order. Go to your banking app and make the transfer. I'm sure you've got this part covered. Once the payment is sent, click Payment Completed. The seller will double-check everything and then release the crypto to you. No need to worry. If a merchant tries to trick you, Bybit's support team will step in and sort it out. But if you carefully chose the seller, like I mentioned earlier, everything should go smoothly. That's it. You've got your USDT. You can withdraw it the same way via P2P. Feel free to practice with small amounts first to build confidence and get the hang of it. All major crypto exchanges have a savings section, which might be called Earn, Wealth, Savings, or something similar. It works like a traditional bank deposit. You temporarily give the exchange access to your assets, and in return, they use them and share part of the profit with you. The returns on such products are usually not very high, around 10% per year, but the risks are almost zero, unless the exchange itself decides to run off with your money. That's why it's important to choose reliable platforms like Bybit. Of course, you won't make a fortune on savings alone, but believe me, right now you need to learn how to work with assets tied to the dollar exchange rate. These are called stablecoins, and the main representative is the USDT token. Let me show you an example. Open the exchange, go to the Earn section, click on Bybit Savings, and here you'll need crypto dollars, USDT. Click the drop-down menu and explore the options. For beginners, I recommend using the flexible rate. As you can see, the current yield is modest, about 6% per year. Still, enter the amount you plan to deposit, read and confirm the terms. Then click Add to Staking. By the way, you can withdraw your assets from flexible savings at any time without delay. Although the rate is small now, it's floating and changes from time to time. It can even reach 20 to 30% per year in dollars. If you want to maximize profit with minimal risks, don't limit yourself to just Bybit. On my Telegram channel, I share simple and profitable strategies that are easy to follow. Just scan the QR code and subscribe. For now, don't jump into more complex products that might be in this section, like dual asset, liquidity mining, etc. A smart approach is to always keep at least 20% of your capital in stablecoins. Let them work and bring in some income while you wait for the right opportunity to make a move. Here comes the moment you've been waiting for. It's finally time to buy some crypto. But remember, this video is not financial advice. I'm simply sharing what I would personally do if I were starting from scratch today. A good place to start is with assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. For example, if I had $100 to invest, I'd probably go with $40 into BTC, $40 into ETH, and put the remaining 20 USDT into savings. The key thing is, don't think of it as just buying tiny crumbs of big coins. It's better to own 1/1000th of a Bitcoin than to throw your hard-earned money into some random meme coin that could drop 90% overnight. In practice, it's super simple. But first, you need to transfer the USDT you bought via P2P from your funding account to your unified trading account. To do that, tap Assets at the bottom, then Transfer at the top. In the coin field, select USDT and transfer it from funding to unified trading. Next, tap Trade at the bottom, and you'll immediately see the BTC-USDT pair. To switch it, tap here. Just make sure you're in the spot section, not futures. Let's say I want to buy Ethereum. I tap the green Buy button. Change the order type from Limit to Market. That means I'll buy at the current price. Then use the slider to choose how much I want to invest and hit Buy. To sell the asset, just tap Sell. The amount you have will be shown in the available field. Select how much to sell and hit the big Sell button. By the way, you can check all the details of your trades here. Tap the tab, pick the order, and take a look. It'll show you everything from the date and fees to how much crypto you bought and at what price. After buying, keep an eye on your crypto's price movement for a couple of weeks. Notice how you feel during a dip or when the price goes up. Do you feel anxious when the price drops? Or an overwhelming urge to invest more when it pumps? As an investor, you need to learn how to stay calm and not make emotional decisions, no matter how tempting or scary the market looks in the moment. That's a core skill. Your crypto plan affects how you work with the market, so think carefully about what you really want from it. Since I can't read your mind, I'll offer you 5 common paths to choose from. First, you don't have much money, but you're eager to learn about crypto. Then check out the video in the pop-up. I go over how to start earning in crypto with zero investment and zero experience. Second, you're new to investing, you have some funds, but you're not ready for risk. In that case, stick with the Earn section on exchanges and learn how to make passive income from stablecoins. It's similar to a bank deposit, low returns but minimal risk. Third, you're okay with volatility, want higher returns, and can handle moderate risk. Then simply start buying your chosen assets regularly, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on, and gradually build up your portfolio. Think through your strategy, what prices you're willing to buy at, and when you'd be ready to exit the market. Just keep in mind, decent profits may take months or even years to lock in. Fourth, you prefer consistency. You'd rather earn 100 a month steadily than wait a whole year for a few thousand? Then consider using trading bots. You can start with the built-in bots on Bybit. They trade pretty well, and I personally use them a lot. If you want a full guide, it's available for free on my Medium page. The link's in the description. Fifth, you already have investment experience and want to get the absolute most out of crypto. Then you can look into futures trading. It's the riskiest path, but also offers huge profit potential. Only go this route if you really know what you're doing. Now pause the video and drop your goal in the comments, and I'll figure out how to help you reach your destination without getting thrown overboard halfway through. As simple as it may seem at first glance, crypto is much more than just buy low, sell high. So here are some next level ideas. Set up a hot wallet, learn how to use it, figure out how blockchains work, and slowly dive into the world of DeFi. Right now, all of this might sound like black magic, but trust me, give it some time and you'll be swimming in the crypto seas like a herring in beer. If you want to go through this whole journey step by step, smash that like button. That way, I'll know this video was helpful and that you want a full DeFi roadmap too. And make sure you've created an account on Bybit. My referrals get juicy trading fee discounts and personal support, cause I've got connections inside the exchange, so I can help out if anything goes wrong. Thanks for watching the video and full speed ahead to profits, crew.